Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Telegram channel. So at the very first, just go to Telegram. Now here you can see in the Telegram, the bottom right pen icon, click on it. After clicking it, here you can see in the top third icon, new channel, click on it. After clicking it, here you can see new channel option. Now give a name to the channel. You can add a description of the channel. Just give one. After giving these two things, just click on the top right icon. You can choose the channel type, just like make it public or private. If you make the channel private, the invite link is automatically created, and if you make this channel public, you can create the link. Just like this. After that, just click on the top right icon. Here you can see you can add people to your channel by your contact. After adding, just click on the bottom right icon. Here you can see the channel is created. So guys, this is how can you create channel on Telegram. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.